Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use this ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin to get access to the best scientific research papers from databases like the PubMed, Springer, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and more. Alright, so before I would show you how to use the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin, let's talk about some of the use cases, how you can use the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin. So my website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, I have a full tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin, and in that I list out some of the use cases of this ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin. So let's go over some of these use cases. So most importantly, you can use this for assisting in your research. So you can use this plugin to find relevant scientific literature for your research projects. Of course, if you are a student, you can use it for homework help. You can use it to find peer-reviewed articles for assignments. You can use it for professional development to stay up to date on the latest research in a specific scientific field. You can use it to find medical information. You can use it for legal research, policy making. If you are a journalist, it's also a really useful plugin, but you can also use it for product development, investment research, and just learn about new scientific papers. Alright, so if you want to get some great prompts, you can use this plugin with. I also share some best ChatGPT prompts, so make sure to check out the article. You can find a link to the article in the description below, and you can also get access to a full database of all ChatGPT plugins that are currently available in the ChatGPT plugin store. And for all ChatGPT plugins, I also share the best use cases and the best ChatGPT prompts as well. Alright, so let's see how to use the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin. So first, at the time of recording this video, you have to be a Plus subscriber to be able to access and use plugins like the ScholarAI plugin. Then you also have to make sure that plugins are enabled in your ChatGPT account. So you can check that by clicking on your account name, and selecting settings, and selecting beta features, and then make sure that plugins are enabled here. Next, we have to install the plugin if you haven't done that. So click on New Chat, then select GPT-4 from the model selector, then select plugins, then select the drop down here. Then if you do not see the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin here, click on the plugin store, then search for the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin, then click on install next to the name, and we are good to go. Actually, there is one more thing. Make sure that the plugin is enabled when you want to interact with the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin. If you cannot see the check mark here, make sure to check the checkbox next to the plugin name. Alright, so how to use the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin. So let's say we are interested in the best scientific paper of blockchain technology. So we can ask the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin to give us the abstracts of the latest research on blockchain technology. So as you can see, we don't have to use any kind of special functions or code to be able to interact with the plugin. We just have to use natural language. And if the plugin is enabled, ChatGPT should be clever enough to be able to know that it has to use this plugin. So as you can see, ChatGPT was clever enough because it now has used the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin. If you click on this drop down, you can see what has the plugin done. So as you can see, it has fetched the top research papers on blockchain technology. You can see the creators here. You can also see how many people have cited a certain paper. And we also get to read the abstracts here. But you don't have to use this response to learn more about the abstracts of the latest research, because then ChatGPT will use that data of the ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin to give us the really brief overview of all of these scientific papers. As you can see, where is the current research on blockchain technology. You can click on this link and check out the full paper, or you can also check out this, click on this full text link here. You can see the authors and a one-sentence summary of what the scientific paper is all about. As you can see, you can also check out the links here. And if you want to learn more about any of this paper, you can ask ChatGPT, give me a longer summary of the rise of blockchain technology in agriculture and food supply chains paper, and ChatGPT will do that because it has the ability to do that using this ScholarAI ChatGPT plugin. So if you want to learn more about this plugin, as I mentioned, you can check out the link in the description below to get the full article on this ChatGPT plugin. And if you want to get access to the full database of all ChatGPT plugins, you can also get access to that database using the link in the description below. It's absolutely free to get access. And if you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that can be used for scientific research, finance, marketing, business, productivity, I have a ton of tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can also check out.